What's up, guys? In another video. Today we're going to be playing, I think you guys already guessed it. It's an animal hospital. Yep. And we're trying to survive over right here. Yep, we're trying to hold on. We're trying to survive over that. Number 8. And if we do, everyone has to like on this video. If I die during this whole video, I might freak out. So anyways, as we begin, before we begin, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and leave a star emoji in the comments. Let's go. Okay, go. Okay. Let's just get some coffee before he can. Oh, he left. Yay. Okay, I don't think this guy's normal. Sup, okay? Yeah? I have an appointment. Oh. Okay, boppity boop. Make sure you check the photo. Oh, bro. Okay, I already know. You don't have to put arrows on the side of my screen. You want me to do that to you? No, you don't? Okay, then don't do it to me! Dude, whoever made this game actually has a really good game. It's actually, like, really fun, bro. Bro, I know where the patient is at. Why is he glowing up? I get it, room 1. Yeah, come sit down. Let me take your... Let me take your DNA. Let me do the blood sample. Wait for like 20 minutes. And just what? Alright, it's finally done. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot up there. So herbies, I think? Herbs. This is, oh. Yeah, herbs. You have a stomach ache? Oh, that's sad. Okay. Now it's time for the other person's turn. Okay, you are good, my bro. Okay, thanks. I would be in room 2. Of course you would. How do you... Wait, I just realized. How do they know what rooms there is? Wait, what if they're just all anomalies? Oh, it's this room. Duh. DNA sample. Boppity boop. Now wait for 20 minutes. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. I'm gonna backshot. Okay, never mind. What's over here? There we go. Shutters. Okay. Security cameras. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, 2 patients. Doctor, arrive, please. Ooh, best one. Yeah, because I'm the only one. Best and only. Okay, shift to... Oh, yeah. Taser, nope. Gun, nope. Ooh, coffee. You want some coffee? I don't think you do. Use shutters to reject people. Yeah, I'm rejecting you. What? No service? Yeah, get back shot. I'm leaving. Yeah, go cry about it. Go cry about it, a-hole. Okay, hello, my name is... Okay, we don't care about that. Okay, finally. Okay, boppity boop. And if you haven't yet, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Don't really if you guys don't subscribe. Let's... Okay, bro. Is there literally a invisible wall right here, and there's only a hole right here that I can stretch through? Bro, why are you guys not getting up? Okay, chameleon boy. Okay, I'm Susie Green. Okay, Susie Green. I want to check in as a patient. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, that's good. Wait. I didn't check that guy's photo. Ew, wait, this is gonna take such... Oh. Oh, you could stand in it. I didn't know you could stand in it. Ugh. You clean the slime. Is that even proper English, by the way? Is it? Oh, wait, do I have a patient waiting for me? Do I? Wait, oh, dang. Wait, no. Wait, yes. Wait. Oh, dang it. Wait, bro, I'm so dumb. Speed run. Uh, did you see that? Restart the video and look at the corner of the... Dude, what the heck was that? What the hell was that? Dude. Okay. Okay. I need one of these. I think, right? Okay, bro. Bro, why is this game actually hard to remember? It's like musical memory from Poppy Playtime Chapter 2. Basically, it was like 4 years ago. Dude, that was my before I ever played it. Dude, I was like 5 years old, and I wish I could play it so much. I was about to say so hard. I was about to say like, hold up, pause. That would be actually kind of weird though. You want some Nutella in a cup? Wait, I actually. Oh, that's okay. You meet, dude. Just for a temperature, bro. Oh, just for a just for a temperature, bro. Okay, bro. I have to restart that. Okay. Doctor your turn, patient. Bro, take a photo. Let me check it out. Okay, wait, is all the marks on it? Okay, good. Register. I couldn't read that fast. Rocky. Wait, is your name that? Bro. My face just keeps on teleporting, bro. Room 1. Okay. I could do this. I could actually kind of do this. Why is this actually kind of creepy, though? Like, I'm actually kind of scared that I played this game before. I played these games before. Haha. Herbs. Okay. You need herbs, huh? It looks like every single patient needs herbs. Needs herbs! Oh. Oh, yay, it's open. Barely have any money. $63. And I could only use that taser one. Dude, can I even afford any of this? Oh, $163. Oh, not bad. Patients recover. Oh, I might need to get that. No. Bro, I want to go through there. Okay. Dude, what's all up with all these random names? I will be in... Are you serious right now? I have to do surgery? I might not talk because, we're doing surgery. Oh, wait, no, this one's easy. Yeah, it's like a color one, isn't it? Like when your heart beeps? Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on, hurry up. I'm actually gonna freak out. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry. Okay, good. Oh, are you hurt? Well, I'm gonna outrun these hearts. Skull, death. Ugh. What? Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'm ready. My fingers are ready. My fingers are ready. Oh. Bing, bing, bop, boom, bop, bop, bam. It's like the ceremony you don't understand. It's like the ceremony you don't understand. Woo! I am pro. I am certainly pro. Okay? Oh, God. Hurry up! Come on! Dude. Okay, cool. Wait, what does... Okay, so honey syrup, then herbs. Honey syrup, then herbs. Okay, got it. Okay. Daddy's okay. Get out of the way. Okay. Now you just gotta wait for 20 minutes. Let's go. Okay. Oh, wait, no. No, come back. Okay, I need more money. Okay. Wait. Okay, good. Good. Good girl. What? Check impatient for. Hold up, wait, what? Okay. Dude. I'm actually kind of tired. Hold on. I got room 2. Cool. Let me just go to room 2 and wait for 25 hours. Oh! Slurp. Come on. Speed run. Well, this takes for freaking ever. Okay, finally, after like 10 seconds. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, I remember. I bet I could get it all in order first try. I forgot already. Wasn't it like this, that, and this? Wasn't it? And let's see. Oh, yes, in order, and in order. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, recovering. Hold on, hurry up. I know. Jeez. There's people here too, you know. Jesus. God. Okay, that's normal. Okay. And bing bop. Okay, talk. I got room. Oh, come on. Why this again? Alright, bro. What the heck? Bro. There's no way. Dude. Hurry up. Oh, yeah, it's your brother. Don't you just love your brother? Oh no! 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 Oh no! Oh God! Oh God! Get away! Get away! I just almost died, bro. I just almost died. Oh God! Dude, that was not funny. I got so scared that I thought I had to end. Okay, bro. God, please help me. Help me. Save this patient. NPC. Okay. Oh God. Gosh dang it. And there we go. God, sanity's low. Okay, and just that. There we go. Okay. Let's just wait. Well, not wait. Definitely get some coffee. What's taking so long? I'm getting coffee. This is so good. Okay, back to what I was doing. And bro, comment down below what's your favorite game on Roblox. Mine has to be this game that I'm playing, Room 6. Oh. I'm not very too happy about that one, but okay. Oh, wait, this one's fun. Yeah, this one's fun. Dude, is this true? Why does she actually kind of look like a fatty, though? Can't lie, the way she's shaped. Copy the sequence. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh. Ooh, that was cool. I wish I was a patient. Okay. Well, oh, it's broken bones. Oh, this is broken. Okay. Okay, just I don't know what that does. What does that? It's like honey maple syrup or whatever. Give that to the patient. Okay, there. Okay, bye. You can leave. Yeah, you could leave now. I'm trying to do work, and then now all of a sudden they're like, hurry up. What's taking so long? I'm doing my job. Do you see this is a doctor's office? Can you please stop acting? Okay, bro. Literally about to shoot. Well, tase. Oh, wait, never mind. One camera down. That's sad. Need to go fix it after I get this patient. Okay. Oh, come on. Why does bro have to faint? Dude. What? Come on. Do we seriously have to deal with this again? Okay, bro. Silent? Okay. 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 Yes. Nah. Oh. 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 I missed some. I missed. Okay. Um. Okay. 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 And there we. Oh. Herbs. So you're saying everyone has a stomach ache? Is this a stomach ache hospital? Also, when is the doctor gonna arrive? For real though, when is he gonna arrive? Oh, didn't he? Didn't he already? I think he did. Hold on, I need to go fix that camera. That's not it. Oh God. Who are you? Soda. Yeah, I'm not trusting you. You know what? Nope. You can stay. You can stay. Because guess what? You see that? You take the taser. See that, buddy? Die. Oh, and guess what? You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere, buddy. You're not, What? Dude, what was that? What? Wait, oh. Is the doctor gone? Aw. Check in. Visitors check in faster. Aw. Aw. I have nothing. I want to save my money. I need coffee. I need coffee. No. Coffee, I said. What's up, you little, ratatouille? Nah. Okay. You want your name tag? I will be in room 8. Surgery? You mean like a timer surgery? You're saying a timer surgery? Okay, bro. I'm just gonna get... Never mind. Because you don't know what supplies you're gonna need. Like... Come on, hurry up. I'm not ready, but I need to get this done. 45... Oh, I forgot there's 45 seconds on the clock. That really actually sucks. Okay. Make you go to sleep. Okay. What do I need? Okay, speed run. Speed run. Speed run. Okay, speed run. Got that? Ooh. Ew. I don't think... This is probably like a teenager game, by the way. If you guys are kids out there. I'm 9 years old. If this is for teenagers, I'm sorry. But... how many hearts? How many hearts for real, though, bro? Are you, like, one of those animal things? Or... What has 2 hearts again? Are you an octopus? Just add one more. I'm so dumb. Okay, I completed the surgery, I guess. Let's go, I think. Is this camera busted? Yes. It is busted. Yay, fixed it. Can I speed it up? Can you speed your mouth? Okay, never mind. That was way more worse. What time is it? 9 o'clock. Not that late. It's actually not late. I usually stay up until like 5 in the morning. Room 7? Hold on, bro. You need to get out, bro. Get out. That's what I thought. Now I had to clean up slime before it gets so ginormous. Okay, bro. We have time to spare. Come on. My goal is to survive to at least 9. That's my goal. Or whenever I die. Actually, just like whenever I die, bro. By now. It's basically impossible to die. I'm actually getting really good at the game. Like, even off camera, I'm like so good. Oh yay, heart scan complete. Okay. You can go. Oh. Dude, are you serious? This takes so long for one patient. It takes like 5 minutes. Well, in real life. Okay. Are you serious right now? And boopity bop. Let's see you try to get out now, buddy. Yeah, try to get out now. You're too dumb. Oh, and try to open the door after a heart scan. I'm so... Please, don't use me again. Well, buddy. Take taser. Oh, it's recharging. Don't give me that look. You look like a grandma after a Tuesday night. Don't worry what that means. Yay. Bro. Yay. You might want to get out of here. Get out of here. I hope you're not new at this. At tasing. Yeah, that's what you meant to say. At tasing. Okay. And take this. Yeah, take that. A bunch of balls. Yep, a bunch of balls. You too. You're just standing here. And you... Okay. Yep. Okay. Now, are you finally normal? Patient. Oh. So you want to be a patient, huh? Okay, normal. Normal. Okay. Room 3. You just love watching me do my job, huh? If you guys just want to stay there all day, then how about you go do something instead of sitting there? You like this job? Then you're hired. Like, geez, dang. Okay, what do you want? Oh, okay. Oh, ouch. Oh my god. Yeah. I'd probably be screaming if I got my DNA sample. Dude, I would be screaming. Is that blood on that? What is that? Okay, that messed up so bad. What is that? Is that blood? Well, I hope not. Oh. Okay. Got that memorized. If I get this memorized, everyone has to like and subscribe. I think it was this. And just guessing, something red. It was medkit. Come on, I had to get it right. Well, I didn't say subscribe, right? Hopefully I didn't. And yay. Did it first try. Totally did. Yay. Now you get some balls. Okay. Now we just wait for him to heal. Were the lights just flickering? I swear they were just flickering. Okay, bro. Okay. Okay. Yep, that's normal. That's totally normal. You're fine, bro. Okay, talk to. Thanks. I will be in room 5. Great. Let's go. Got a cluster shift 5 actually. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Alright, bro. Can you please speed it up or something? Bro, your little tiny legs don't do nothing. And I mean anything. And if I say anything, and I mean like nothing. Like, bro. Am I right or am I right? Okay, bro. Dude, bandage? Okay. Okay.